So this is a tester that we don't use very much, but you know, is useful to have in your kit. Yeah, I just wanted. It's called a ground rod tester, and it's used to check the ohms of resistance to ground. It's a good tool to have. So this is something I wanted to take the time to go over. It's come up in a few of our videos in the past in the comments section, and it is how do you test a ground rod? And you know, and it is funny sometimes to see what people come up with, you know, in ways you can test it. But there's an actual tester that's dedicated to that, and it's this kind of tester. They can range in price from several hundred to several thousand. But according to NEC, you want to be less than 25 ohms of resistance to ground when you use the ground rod tester on it. So another little side tip is, you know, I don't use this tester a lot, so the batteries, a lot of times, if you leave them in there, they'll damage the tester. You know, the acid. I mean, maybe if you got lithium batteries, it wouldn't do that. I still don't trust it. I don't even know if these batteries are going to be good. I haven't used this tester in several months. It's not something you use a lot. But keeping the batteries out of it will definitely save you from having the tester get ruined. It's happened to me a couple times. I mean, on a tester that you use frequently, I don't think it's as much of a danger. I don't even bother screwing it in because I'm going to take them right back out. So one thing is you want to make sure that this has a calibration tool and it's 5.1 ohms that it's supposed to read out at. So 5.1 ohms. So it's perfect. Now, you want to make sure you get between, see, like if I do it up here, it's not going to show anything. You want to be on the path to ground underneath, and we have 1.9 ohms of resistance to ground. So that's what we want to see.